How to change the order of songs in Spotify playlist. First, open your Spotify account and choose a playlist that you want to edit. For example, this one has a lot of songs in it and I want to change the order. To do this, simply long press on a particular song that you want to move and then drag it to what placement you want it to be. Or there is another option where you will click these three dots and click Edit. Here you can edit the playlist itself by changing the name or the display picture of your playlist. Now to change the order of the songs, simply long press this button and drag the song to where you want it to be placed. Now simply repeat these steps to every music placement or playlist that you want to edit. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.